Here it is, unlocking your mind's potential. 5 powerful techniques to transform your life and manifest your dreams. Your life will be changed by Joe Dispenza's basic, direct teachings. You can invest in your future by investing in yourself, and even if we are aware that this adage is accurate, life might occasionally make us feel a little self-critical. Furthermore, it's usually a good sign that we need to make adjustments when we feel like the route we are going in is not the appropriate one for us, or when we get weary of repeating the same actions. You may truly change your life if you are prepared to take a leap of faith and adhere to the recommendations made by Dr. Joe Dispenza. He thinks you can achieve true change and abundance in life by discovering and using your inner strength. Also, this will alter your perspective of the world from a subatomic perspective. Number 5. Decide what thoughts you want to bring with you to your future. When it comes to affecting real change, Dr. Joe sums it up well by saying, you cannot move into the future holding on to the biology of the past. By altering the way you think, you can alter your thoughts. You will have control over your life if you decide which thoughts to carry into the future and let go of all others. Your connection to the past is biological. Your most treasured ideas and memories make up the entirety of who you are. This means that you alone must determine which thoughts are preventing you from moving forward and which ones can make you feel more optimistic about it. Remember that negative beliefs like "I can't," "I'm too difficult," "I won't change," or "I'll do it tomorrow" will only limit your potential. Recognize any unfavorable or frequent thoughts that come to mind. Then, make a conscious effort to write down or practice the positive ideas that will help you the most. Spend some time examining your thoughts to determine which ones are preventing you from moving forward. Find out what thoughts are depressing you by asking yourself challenging and introspective questions. Try to discover a humorous way to look at how you are now thinking by keeping an open mind to humor. Maintain a fit lifestyle. You can always have a good frame of mind when it comes to your lifestyle. Number 4. Teach your body emotionally. The goal of this phase is to emotionally accustom your body to the life you desire to live. Dr. Joe Dispenza claims that you must feel it to get it, and if you want to swiftly achieve your desired results, you must do this every day. If you do, your visualization will begin to feel very real to you, and your awareness of feeling the emotions in your body will start to expand. As this occurs, you'll begin to become more accustomed to the emotions you want to experience, and this is when you can begin the process of fine-tuning for long-lasting transformation. Also, if you regularly use the power of feeling your way to your desired results, eventually your body and mind will do the same. The present moment and the feelings you want to feel will eventually become symbiotically linked, allowing you to start building the future you want. When we become conscious that we don't have something we want, we inevitably feel a sense of lack because we don't have what we want. This is how we start using our imagination to create. Our fundamental, natural urge to be makers is at work here. Furthermore, if you regularly use the power of feeling to guide you towards your goals, eventually your body and mind will do the same. In time, you'll develop a symbiotic relationship between the feelings you want to feel and the present moment, allowing you to start shaping the future you want. Number 3. Visually rehearse who you want to be. Let's use the power of mental rehearsal to practice these impactful events. You must train yourself to often envision your future in order to make it tangible and for it to begin to feel comfortable, advises Dr. Joe Dispenza. So, it is crucial to first realize that all of your decisions, actions, and tiny deeds between your daily activities should be carried out by the person you wish to become, not the person you were in the past. This is where using visualization can help. Use visualization to start practicing the future you want to live in and stop being the same person from the familiar past. This is especially effective when the window of awareness is open. Dr. Joe Dispenza says that visualization will help you tune in, tap in, and be present so you can bring about the long-lasting change you want. Number 2. Gather your attention to the present moment. If you practice focusing your attention, you can also make significant changes in your life once you are detached from all of your distractions. When you practice focusing your attention, according to Dr. Joe Dispenza, this is when your subconscious mind may take a backseat. And the more you tune in, and gather your concentration to focus on a single item, the easier it will be for you to unlock the door to your true self. You are utilizing your truest strength of energy when you focus on the current moment. This energy has the ability to help you build the life you want. Hence, practice being more conscious of your awareness each day. Be present and develop a daily ritual that helps you return to the present. Number 1. Disconnect from your world. One of Dr. Joe Dispenza's first recommendations from his profound teachings is to take some time away from your busy schedule to unplug from the outside world. Joe Dispenza claims that we as humans are always connected to the wrong things, including TV, social media, email, and other pointless distractions. By doing this, you'll be able to hear your inner voice, and according to Dispenza, this is the most crucial and significant step you can take to begin the path to limitless change. What do you think about our video? Let us know in the comment box below. Share this video with your friends. Maybe this video will be the key to transforming their wealth.